So in this video, I'm going to look at how you can actually do that of the greater than, less than, and that of other operations. So to do this is just basically simple. What we are going to do, we're going to do what? We're going to do for that of this is, so I can say comparison. You should know that this stands for comparison. Let me say this stands for comparison operations. So what we're basically going to do, we're going to set what we're going to check if this val1 is greater than val2, just simple as that. And remember that this is a comparison operator, so when we run this, we're expecting to get something like true or false as the output. Okay, let's see. You can see that we get this I can say this is a compare variable that colon name, this is false. It's just as saying is 1 is greater than 80, which you know that's a big false. And for this other one, this is false, but you know that 67 is greater than that of 6 and 45 is greater than that of 5. So in a situation whereby we want to actually convert it to integer that will know whether if it's true or false, in order to make it 1 or 0. So we are going to enclose this bracket, and then we are going to do what? Dot as type. This is not the first time. If I'm following this in my series, this is not the first time you see me making use of this as type. We want to turn it to as type. You can turn it to string, float, and integer. There's still a lot of other ones. You can turn it to Boolean. If it was in zeros and one, you can turn it dot as type. Boom, simple as though. As you can see here, we now have this 0 0 0 0 0 and here is 1. 0 signifies false, and then 1 signifies true. And then you can do for that of the greater than. It's not hard. You can do for that of greater than or equals to. You can do for that of less than or equals to. Be careful when you are doing that of the equals and greater than. The sign can be a little bit tricky. Let's say a situation whereby instead of saying is it greater or equals to, or what, less than or equals to, so always follow the first word that you say. Greater equals to, less than equals to. So this is less than equals, less than comes first, and then equals to comes second, and then when I say greater and then comes first by the left, and then equals to comes second by the right answer. So that is not really hard to do. In the next video, what we are basically going to do, remember that this as type is just to convert it to integer, which is zeros. We are going to make use of this of and this our symbol. We are going to make use of the or, not, and a whole lot of other ones. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.